Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share a recipe of chia seeds 2 ways. The top one is pre-soaked chia seeds that can be kept in the fridge for up to 2 days. 2 tablespoons of lemon, 2 tablespoons of pre-soaked chia seeds, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon of honey, and hot water. Stir it. Breakfast drink is ready now. Soak chia seeds into coconut milk and stir it to combine. Let it soak for a couple hours in the fridge. Now pudding is already set. It's time to put topping on it. 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, some blueberries, and raspberries. It's ready. Bon appetit!